integrated light kit in his little dining area here. He has kind of a cool loft apartment that everything is kind of open to each other, so it's not so much a dining room as a dining area. And we both really like it here. I think he made an excellent choice. It fits with the apartment, and it fits with the other fan. I'll do a tour later, but there's the Whisper fan.
Whisper fan? Whisper fan
Whisper
is a
wind.
Homestead product.
Yeah, that's true. Well, we'll talk about that in the next video because I have my reasons for that. So, whenever you're ready, I'll take this through the speeds.
Okay, you just started talking about the Whisper wind, so I...
Yeah. It was just a brief tangent.
Yes. There she
Only
goes.
real downside is that there's a faint hum, which in part is because of the transformer-based speed control. Those transformers tend to hum a little bit. Although this hums a little bit on high as well, so that wouldn't be the transformer. Well, sometimes they still go through the transformer for high. It's not the slowest of low speeds, but it's a small fan.
Still move some air.
This is actually a different Slimline from the one that we videoed last night. This one's slightly older and has the recalled mounting bracket with the recall kit, and has the integrated light fitter, which is very 80s looking. That pull chain could use a little WD-40 too. For being small fans that don't like insanely fly, these actually move a good amount of air. I was surprised because I've known people that say NuTones are, well, now it's shaking a little bit. We balanced it in the other video, but it's decided to protest at some point.
Stubborn little SOB.
Yeah. You can always balance it some more. It's possible it'll go away with running it a little bit. It's really not bad except for that one pull chain is
Rattling, yeah.
now this one.
Is this high?
Yeah.
Okay.
Let me know when you're ready for spin down. It's interesting. We tested it not minutes ago, and it did not do this at all on high.
It just likes to mess with us.
Yeah, well,
It's trolling us.
It's been a slightly more complicated project than we anticipated.
Alright, go ahead and spin her down.
The eyeball the. No, it's not. The blades are clearly aligned. There's maybe a hair of difference. So, my next step in balancing would be to tape a quarter to the top of each blade and see which ones increase the wobble and which ones decrease it. So if you want to eliminate the wobble and you have a quarter, we can do that. Or a big washer or a knockout.
Yeah, I have a quarter. I have plenty of quarters.
So while it's spinning down, medium, low, that is a very stiff pull chain. I definitely want to put some WD-40 in there. Reverse. I bought this at the Fond du Lac Restore. I remember now. Can't remember how much I paid, but I got it at Fond du Lac Restore. It was before I knew Reese, otherwise I would have said, hey Reese, there's a NuTone Slimline at the Fond du Lac Restore.
Focus is hard. There we go.
I thought I liked these better in 52-inch, but I actually think I like them better in small size. They're more unique in the small size. I guess it can't be more unique, but they are more distinctive in the small size. And I just thought the small ones were disproportionate, but they don't appear to be. Low. Reverse.
It's absolutely stationary on low.
And medium. At least it was before. We'll see how it does in reverse. I've said in my other videos that reverse medium is usually the worst contender for wobbling.
Yeah, that's the troublesome spot.
Not for this one though, this seems to be okay. But in this case the medium and low are so close together. Yeah, there it goes. That overhead kitchen light creates quite the shadow there.
Yes, it does.
That was my attempt at a cool shot. Yay me.
Awesome. Coasts for quite a while.
It does. Bearings are in good shape. I was worried I might have to bring some oil for it because I hadn't tested this one before, but it seems to be excellent in that regard.
And stop.
Okay.